Hi everyone, this is Anne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use conditional formatting based on duplicate values and based on specific value. So let me first show you guys how to use duplicate values. First is highlight the cells, and then from the home ribbon, click conditional formatting and choose highlight cells rules, and from here choose duplicate values. If you don't like that color, click the drop down and then you can choose any color, or you can even customize it, but I will just stick with the default. So that's light red fill with dark red text, and then just click OK. Now if you would like to apply conditional formatting based on, let's say, based on the age, what we want to happen is if the age is greater than or equal to 20, we will use a light green background with black font. But if the age is less than 20, we're going to apply red background with white font. So to do that is to highlight the cells, click conditional formatting, click Manage Rules, and from the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager, you will see New Rule. So at the moment, we don't have any rule here, so we will click New Rule. Then choose the second option, which is Format Only Cells That Contain. And then you can see Cell Value. Instead of Between, click the drop down and choose Greater Than or Equal To. Then you type the number 20. Then we will format it. So click Format. The font color is automatic, which means that's going to be black. But for the fill, click the Fill tab and choose light green. Then click OK. And another OK. So right now, you have one rule, but we're going to apply two. So we already have a rule for ages greater than or equal to 20. Now to add another rule, you just have to click New Rule, click Format Only Cells That Contain, and from here you click the drop down and choose Less Than. Then you put 20. Then click Format. Okay, so from here, choose the red fill, but we are going to change the font color to white, so we will click the Font tab and click the drop down here under Color and choose white. Then just click OK and another OK, and that's it. I hope that you enjoy the video, and I hope that you learned something. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and enjoy, and please wait for more videos. I'm going to upload more conditional formatting videos, and thank you for watching.